Hey guys, what's going on? So this is part one of the restoration of my vintage DF-01 Blazing Star. Now, I've taken most of the parts out, I've just got to do all the electrics. But this car is filthy. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do part by part. I might just do the whole lot and then do a separate video of putting it together. I've got most parts here ready, and I'm in actually my bathroom, there's a basin there, so I'm gonna start doing some cleaning. And check this out, if you guys can see that, this screw was wedged in one of the shocks and the shock mount in there somewhere, so I've got a spare one of those. I don't know why he put it in there, and not only that, it was actually bent as well. So like even the dog bones have got a lot of grime and shit and mud and dirt and grease. It's just a mess. I'm gonna remove all the electrics now, and I'm just gonna put it in soap water. I'll try and take the front end off first, or maybe just leave it together and just soap the whole lot. Anyway, see how I go. Anyway, these ones, I'm gonna take them apart, wash them and put some fresh oil in there. So those will do, and the wheels, I'm going to be putting in soap water as well. So I'm just got to take the rest of the wheels. The condition, they're not too bad, though they could be worse. But if I can't restore them, doesn't matter. I've got some other wheels, spare wheels in mind anyway. So we'll see how we go. Well, that's the chassis, all the front and rear gearboxes removed, so the only chassis remaining. I've still got to remove the servo at the front and the off and on switch, and gearboxes are just sitting there. I did notice one thing though. Where is it? Just on top of here, see how that's melted? It's because where is it? So the resistor actually melted. Probably is either plugged in wrong, as you can see there. And if you look at the wiring, see that? It must have either shorted or it was plugged in wrong. And yeah, so it's actually melted. So that ESC doesn't work, I can guarantee you there. So let's just wash this up and come back to you.